Okay, you might be wondering, I'm not going to do the exact same ride that I've been doing for the last 5 or 6 videos. Well, the answer to that is most likely I try to do something different each time. This particular case, I've changed the angle of the camera, in addition to I'm wearing earplugs. Not that that matters to anyone, but kind of testing these earplugs out. I don't know if anyone has a good suggestion for earplugs, but for whatever reason my ears are different sizes and I can't seem to put earplugs on and then put my helmet on without it pulling it out. I've got issues. That, and then my left arm seems longer than my right arm, or actually shorter. I don't know. I'm also going to see if I can replicate that wobble that I had a couple videos ago or a couple rides ago. I kind of want to say it was just my body position, but I'm not sure. Someone had suggested me a video where a guy, I think, had the same issue and maybe describes how to avoid it, but it was in Spanish and I had to read the captions, and I'm not a big fan of reading, so it's taking me some time to review it. Plus it started off with him showing his face. I've got an issue with people showing their faces on camera. Oh, here we go. Just got it again. On camera when they're discussing products like motorcycle or whatever else. Unless you're a model and you're discussing your face or makeup, there's no reason to show your face. We're all watching your video for the subject matter, not your face. However, I do understand why they do that. It is somewhat intoxicating to see yourself on video and think you're somehow a movie star or popular of some sort. In reality, you're not. At least that's my thinking. As such, I'm sure you guys don't want to hear me talk about things that aren't relevant to the motorcycle, so I will start talking about the motorcycle. I think my next project is going to be removing these front turn signals, these stalks, these whatever you would call them, these arms that are sticking out. I think I've figured out a way to integrate them into the front headlight area, where those two sections are that are kind of faux vents. I've ordered some small LED turn signal type things, and I think I'm gonna pull these things off, 3D print a cover plate, and then run the wires to that area and have them integrated into that front headlight plastic piece. It's kind of interesting. Once I've determined or identified that these things are ugly, it's like that's all I'm focused on now. I just can't stand how they stick out and kind of look the way that they do. So I'm on a mission to change that up. So I'll have a video on that, obviously, and then talk about whatever I got. The other thing is I'm not good at giving specific information on what I used or this, that, and the other, unless I have the paperwork in front of me. So I know a lot of YouTubers do that. It's kind of like that's the standard, but I don't know. I'll do my best to tell you what is what, but you just have to research it if you're interested in the parts that I use. Just a basic search on Amazon or Google or something like that. So, what else about the bike? Besides that front wobble, which kind of occurred as I was turning and accelerating earlier, everything else seems to be pretty good with the bike. I am planning on doing my own first service at 600 miles. So what I'm planning on doing is getting the service manual. There's a service manual available on the AF1 website. I don't know what's in it, but it is available for I think $14 or so to download. So I think I'm going to do that and see if there's directions on how to reset the service light once it comes on. And that's the only thing that's really make me hesitate to do it myself. The reason I want to do it myself is I feel like I'm going to do a better job than the service tech who has maybe seen this bike once or twice. So and then plus my accessories that I put on, like the engine guard, skid plate thing, I want to be able to reassemble that correctly, torque it down correctly, and all that jazz. So and then I know it's done right, and I won't have to be thinking about it or figuring out a way to drop off the bike and all that jazz. I don't know if I'll videotape it or not, or video record it, just because it's just one of those things. It's not that easy to do. I can just put the camera on and turn it on, I suppose, but I don't know. The folks who are able to edit it pretty well, or edit their videos and make it look seamless and all that, it's certainly appreciated, but I'm not at that level where I have the patience to do that all the time. So I can talk about it. It's pretty straightforward, I'm sure. If there's anything unique or special, I'll mention that if people are interested. Again, my goal in all doing whatever these videos or whatever isn't so much to, I don't know, it's kind of selfish. I just want to do it to have something to do. I don't have a purpose. I don't have an overall, like, hey, I want to help people out or anything like that. I don't really care too much. Not that I don't care about people, but that's not my thing. Happy to help, happy to answer any questions, but like my overall goal is to whatever, to have like a higher purpose. Is really just to put my stuff out there, and that's what I do. Seems like other people have like a mission statement